Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to track your bag on the Qatar Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page by tapping on this icon in the left side corner down below. Then click on the menu icon in the upper right corner, and after that tap on track my bag in the middle of the screen. Then you will be directed to a page where you can track your bag, but first you need to wait till it loads, and then you should select either the booking or file reference and type it into this bar, and then enter your last name and click on the search button. And you can also type in your bag tag number that looks like this, so it's a 10-digit numeric code or an 8-digit alphanumeric code on your bag. So type it into this bar and then enter your last name and click on the search button, and then you will be able to track the status of your luggage or baggage. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.